Welcome to my channel. I have here a newly found item. This is my Sony PS-3700. This is a semi-automatic turntable. This is a direct drive turntable. So this is the inside part. Let's explore the inside part. This one here is the strobe light, the guide for your strobes. Here, the dots. Upper part is for the 60 hertz, 45. This one here, 33 for the 60 hertz is here, 50 hertz, the two dots here. But anyway, I'm in a 60 hertz cycle here, so my strobe guide is 45 then 33. So this one is the switch knob for your 45 and 33 RPM speed, and this knob here is where you adjust the 45 and adjust the 33 RPM speed. So this is the brand Sony, and this is the direct drive. Model is PS-3700. This one here is the reject button. If you want to stop, just push this button, then the tone arm will automatically rest here. This part here is the counterweight and the queuing lever. Anti-skating, I set it to 1.75 because my tracking here is 1.75, and this one here is the original Sony adapter for your 7-inch record. Part here is for the spare. If you have Headshell, then you can put it here like that. So this is how semi-automatic works. Manual queuing there, and since this is a semi-automatic, this is auto return, auto stop, turntable. This is how semi-automatic works. So that's all for the Sony PS-3700. Hope you subscribe to my channel and stay updated always for more videos to come. Thanks for watching, guys.